in the front. Yeah. Yes po.
One of my favorite rooms, because this one is located at the highest floor of Fairmont. So this one is a king size bed, not smoking. And then this one comes with breakfast for two. So breakfast will be served same floor, at the hallway. So
same floor?
Yes. Spectrum. Ground floor po, at the hallway lang.
Okay. So can I have it?
So the room has been paid already through a hotel. So I'll be just getting a 3,000 for the incidental deposit.
So this is the Accor. So this is the reception. Very quiet and peaceful. So the stairs. There you go. And
so for breakfast tomorrow, since it's weekend, so it's 16 up until 11 o'clock tomorrow.
yeah.
Your breakfast?
We're checking in our room. So let's see what is the style of a standard room. Yes, the elevator. So top, what floor? We're now in the highest floor. So this is Fairmont Gold. Then the fitness center and pool. Bars. So wow, it's a nice elevator. I think this is leather. Wow, made of leather. Elevator's made of leather. Okay, so we're now in the 8th floor. A TV. What is his? Wow. So, and then the thermos and absolute. So this one is glass. The slippers, one for male, one for female, and the bathrobe. Wow. Next. Well, this is where you put your things. Now let's check the CR. Okay, so let's open the lights. Wow. Even the CR is so nice. Shower. it comfortable here in the chair? Is it comfortable?
Not so soft.
Here, office chair. It's very beautiful in a hotel that you have office chair. Madame Carrie, you have an office, the bed, and the TV. So hello guys, we're going now to the pool area. So we're going down and let's see what is the place of the pool. Going down to the fourth floor of the elevator. So the pool. So we're going to the pool. Will I write something? So sanitize pens. We'll write the guest name, room number. This is their shower. Hello, mommy.
Hi. We're here in the Fairmont.
This is the building of the Fairmont. Very big and large. Very large. So this is my mom swimming. Welcome to Makati. We're now here in Fairmont Makati. So come on, let's relax and swim. Wow. It's relaxing. You can see full view of the top. If you want to relax, let's go here in the bed. And let's waterfall. Here in the water standing. It's so just 7 o'clock p.m. and so that means take a plunge by next week. And also the aquatic view is so it's already dark, guys. While it's getting dark, we're just gonna swim here in the pool. Big, it's very big, and not very, but it's kind of big, but it's alright. Let's go swim. Locker and female driver, vanities, female driver. cold lunch. This is Fairmont at night. Wow. Here in Spectrum. We're gonna eat breakfast. So let's start. This wonton noodles. If you want to eat noodles, then you should go here and eat noodles. Next is corned beef. Oh my god, it's heavy. Oh, can you help me? Okay, corned beef, marbled, baked beans, roasted tomato, mustard sauce, Hungarian bacon. Then this is, can I see? Congee. Tapos mixed vegetables. Then stir fry noodles. Then this is dim sum. Shumai. And this is asada siopaw, steam, mantaw, garlic rice, pork tocino, lukbanong ganisa, fried milk fish, or bangus, fried rabbit free, champorado. This is heavy. Egg with scrambled egg. Scrambled egg. Very heavy. Boiled egg. Egg station. Shot. Orange juice. There you go. Then sushi. Soy milk, whole cream milk, low fat milk, assorted fresh fruits, señorita. Then this is kind of ingredients: dried fish, cheese, once cheese, fruit, breads, and coffee. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Oh, this is checking out. Checking out now in the Fairmont Hotel. So, it's very beautiful here in Fairmont. Paki-subscribe po channel ko.
Ako.
Okay.
Anong buwan po ma'am sa vlog niyo po?
Oo. Cathleen Dayao.
Po?
Cathleen Dayao.
Cathleen Dayao. Sige, subscribe mo.
Sige. Okay, so that's it. Yan, a Fairmont Hotel. So they are very friendly. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye!